What if I told you that financial freedom is not a distant dream, but a result of daily habits? Imagine waking up every day knowing that you are financially secure and free. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we're diving into the 6 daily habits that financially free people practice. These habits are simple yet powerful, and they can transform your financial life. Habit 1. Budgeting like a pro. Financially free people always have a budget. They know where every dollar is going and make conscious decisions about their spending. Budgeting is the foundation of financial freedom. By tracking every dollar, you gain control over your finances and can make informed decisions. Start by listing all your income sources and expenses. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Using budgeting tools or apps can make this process easier. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you keep track of your finances. These tools can categorize your expenses, alert you when you're overspending, and help you stay on track with your budget. Setting realistic financial goals is crucial. Break down your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Short-term goals might include paying off a small debt or saving for a vacation. Medium-term goals could be saving for a down payment on a house, while long-term goals might include retirement planning. By setting and sticking to these goals, you can ensure that your budget aligns with your financial aspirations. Habit 2. Consistent saving. Saving is a cornerstone of financial freedom. These individuals save a portion of their income consistently, regardless of how much they earn. The principle of pay yourself first is essential. Before you spend any money, set aside a portion of your income for savings. This habit ensures that you are consistently building your savings over time. It might be tempting to spend first and save what's left, but this often leads to little or no savings. Automating your savings can help make this habit stick. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you don't have to think about it and your savings will grow effortlessly. Building an emergency fund is another critical step. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can protect you from unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund will give you peace of mind and financial security. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you are laying the groundwork for a financially free future. Budgeting and saving consistently are powerful tools that can transform your financial life. Start today and take control of your financial destiny. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, and let us know in the comments which habit you're going to start with. Habit 3. Smart investing. Investing is where the magic happens. Financially free people invest wisely to grow their wealth over time. Investing is crucial for building wealth. By putting your money to work, you can grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom faster. There are various investment options to consider, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can provide high returns, though they come with higher risk. Bonds are loans you give to governments or corporations and generally offer lower returns but with less risk. Real estate involves buying properties to rent out or sell at a profit. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to understand them before investing. Diversifying your investments is key to reducing risk. Don't put all your money into one type of investment. Spread it across different assets to protect yourself from market fluctuations. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well and balance it out. Seeking professional advice can be very helpful, especially if you're new to investing. Financial advisors can guide you in making informed decisions and help you create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Habit 4. Continuous learning. They never stop learning about finances. They read books, take courses, and stay updated with financial news. Continuous learning is essential for maintaining financial freedom. The world of finance is constantly changing, and staying informed can help you make better decisions. Financial education is crucial. By learning more about how money works, you can manage your finances more effectively and avoid costly mistakes. There are many resources available to help you, such as books, podcasts, and online courses. Some recommended books include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show and courses on platforms like Coursera can also provide valuable insights. Learning from mistakes and successes is also important. Reflect on your financial experiences and identify what worked well and what didn't. help you improve your financial strategies and avoid repeating past mistakes. By continuously educating yourself about finance, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions that support your financial freedom. Habit 5. Frugal living. Living below their means is a common trait. They are mindful about their spending and avoid unnecessary expenses. Frugal living is about making conscious choices to spend less and save more. Financially free people distinguish between needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival, like food, shelter, and healthcare. Wants are things that bring temporary pleasure but are not necessary, like luxury items or dining out frequently. By prioritizing needs over wants, you can save money and avoid unnecessary expenses. Practicing mindful spending is another important aspect of frugal living. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Consider the long-term value of the item and whether it's worth the cost. This approach helps you make better spending decisions and avoid impulse buys. Finding joy in simple, inexpensive activities is key to maintaining a frugal lifestyle. Enjoying nature, spending time with loved ones, and pursuing hobbies that don't require a lot of money can bring fulfillment and happiness without breaking the bank. Habit 6. Networking with like-minded individuals. They surround themselves with people who have similar financial goals. Networking helps them stay motivated and informed. Having a supportive community is crucial for achieving financial freedom. Surrounding yourself with people who have similar financial goals can keep you motivated and provide valuable insights. These individuals can offer encouragement, share their experiences, and help you stay on track with your financial plans. Joining financial groups or forums is a great way to connect with like-minded individuals. Online communities, local meetups, and social media groups can provide a platform to discuss financial strategies, share resources, and learn from each other. These groups can also keep you accountable and inspired on your journey to financial freedom. Learning from others' experiences is invaluable. By hearing about the successes and challenges of others, you can gain new perspectives and avoid common pitfalls. Networking allows you to benefit from the collective knowledge and experience of a community, helping you make better financial decisions. By adopting these habits, you can build a strong foundation for financial freedom. Frugal living and networking with like-minded individuals are powerful practices that can transform your financial life and help you achieve your goals. Start incorporating these habits into your daily routine and watch your financial situation improve. By adopting these 6 daily habits, you can start your journey towards financial freedom. Start small, be consistent, and watch your financial situation improve over time. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination but a journey. Take the first step today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips,